in your eye, and once and not twice, girl, I see it every day. I know, girl, I've done you wrong, baby. I hope on you, darling. Girl, it's been so long. I know for sure we are gonna link up one day. If I had my way, girl, I would never let you go. I never let you go, no, no. I think about you every day. This is beyond control, baby.
I love you, bye. Vinyaka miniwa.
Baby girl,
I love you, bye. Vinyaka miniwa.
hey, my own TV, I come here, Spider-Man. No more for down one, my boy, who I. Own TV, I come here, Uncle Dan. I tell the Mugo in my own domestication. Put together, and Kawu, my Kume, Mukoi. The ones that order me, what my your other kind. Girl, you cute, and you look so fine. It's enough for my Kuma, Mua. Maybe my wine. Oh, you're my Kuma, from an answer from your Opoma. I love you, baby girl, and you know. Oh, you're my Kuma, from an answer from your Opoma. I love you, baby girl. I love you, baby girl. If I had my way, girl, I would never let you go. I never let you go. No, no.
It's getting too much, and I don't even know what to do anymore.
Don't you get tired of nagging? This is me, man. You gotta get used to it.
I'm gonna stop nagging when you stop chasing. How many years have you been married?
Well, we'll be married for, let's say, like me. And three beautiful years, my dear.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? It's been 3 years and you're still a player.
Ashamed? Sweetness, angelic Eva. This is Lee you're talking about.
Hey, I am your wife.
All right. Let's make a deal, okay? Let's pray to the Jehovah Lord that henceforth, Father Jehovah, that is Lee coming to you, saying, I am changed, here I come. Oh. I guess somebody's dying there, huh?
Hey, that's from my office.
From your office?
Yeah. Mike, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Could you kindly rest this arm, please? Right here. Right there. You were brought here last night. You had an accident. I'll be taking care of you. I'm your nurse.
Oh, Ness. So, what's your name?
I'm Eva.
Eva. I see.
Do you have any family members? Perhaps brother or sister? Or even a wife that I could call?
Wife? No.
Why?
I don't have any.
Very well then. Have a nice morning. I'll be back in the afternoon, okay?
You're welcome.
Thank you, honey.
Why, no work?
It was a lot of work.
You don't look stressed one bit.
Just because you married a very beautiful woman.
I know. I know that moment I set my eyes on you that I was giving my one and heart only to you.
No, I don't think so.
Why?
Do you want me to stop mentioning the names?
Please, come for a kiss.
No.
Please.
No. Okay.
Love you. All right, come on. Come on. I want.
No way. I didn't know you missed me that much.
No, I don't. I don't. I don't.
Eva, you seem to be very good with what you're doing. Oh, no. Listen, I'm serious, okay? I'm very, very serious. It seems you're doing a very perfect job on my face. And do you always do this to your husband?
All the time.
He must be a very lucky man.
Of course he is. I try my best to make him happy all the time.
How long have you been married?
It's been 3 years.
Oh.
Okay. Here.
Oh yeah, I look good. And this is just the way I want it. Thank you.
Great. I'll be back this afternoon. See you later. Oh, Jesus.
You don't look too well.
Yeah.
Huh?
I'm not well.
What is wrong? Are you sick? Sick of malaria or Lee?
Stop being sarcastic. It's neither the two of them. I just don't feel good. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Anyway, I have to go home and relax because tomorrow is my night duty.
That reminds me. I have to go and see the doc myself.
Before you go home?
Yeah. I need a day off too, you know.
Okay. Then I'll take the lead. I'll give you a call when I get home.
All right.
Bye.
I'll see you.
Yeah.
Stop shaking that ass. Ow.
Eva, why you don't look cheerful? What's wrong with you?
I'm having a headache.
Have you treated it?
Yes, I have. I just need a day off.
You have it, okay? Do you know that Mr. Michael Wusu, the patient in room 74, has been discharged?
Yes, I'm aware.
Okay. He made a special request and I want you to take that tax up. You know he's a big businessman in the society and he can't be moving up and down for his treatments. So I want you to do that for me.
But, Doc, why can't Stephanie take that job?
I want you to do it. Stephanie is on the night shift. I've already given your number to him, so you take his card. You work it out from there. Okay?
Yes, doctor.
All right.
Especially when you fall in love with a woman, aside your woman. Boy, you can't control yourself. Hey, you are my best friend. When you my dafupa. Oh baby girl, love is so blind, but girl you so fine. Girls them love her, yeah. Shut her a cold. I close my eye deep in the night to get a little sleep. Girl, I see your face, see you cry, tears in your eye, and once and not twice, girl, I see it every day. I know, girl, I've done you wrong, baby. My yo bunny, oh darling. Girl, it's been so long. I know for sure we are gonna link up one day. Baby, minyaka minyai mamuko. In the dark, me was your lantern now. You can't let me go. Me give you 220 votes and you give me 110. I text on your phone, you really can't send. It sounds like I'm talking nonsense, but then all upon me what in my world. You are my baby, my lady. Hey, you can't let me go. You are my baby, my lady. Woman, you can't let me go. Baby, minyaka minyai mamu.
Couldn't you at least knock?
I saw you on top of another woman. Look what you're telling me. Look at the rubbish you're telling me.
So what? You just saw me, so what's the big deal? Haven't you seen this before?
You're a pervert.
Eva!
You're a scoundrel.
Watch the way.
You're devoid of mind.
Watch.
Can you imagine I saw him on top of another whore yesterday?
What? Oh my god, jeez! Eva! Look at you. Eva, this thing is getting too far. Do you want to lose your beautiful head because of these things? Because of Lee? Lee will never change. Eva, do you know what you need? You need a life. All you need is a boyfriend.
He didn't even look perturbed. He didn't even care.
Eva, there's one thing I want you to know. Lee will never change. Remember, they say, if you do me, I do you. Man, no go first.
Steffi,
You need a life. Huh.
don't talk like that. What he needs is help.
Help?
That's what he needs, yes.
All you need is help. Lee will change. Lee, he will never change. My dear, Lee will never change. He will never change. There's one thing I want you to know. He will always be like that.
I don't even think I'll be able to go to work today. I'm not feeling so good.
Believe me, I don't think I will make it. Maybe it's okay. Come on, maybe. It's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine. Let me drop you along.
Honey, I brought you pineapple. It's good for your health. Here. Nice.
Listen, Eva. Every married man still remains a bachelor at heart. You just have to understand it, that's all. If you cannot cure it, you don't enjoy it, period.
Lee, you can't do this to me. You know I love you.
I'm tired of that love thing. It backs my ear, okay? Just go. Just go, okay? Just go have fun.
Lee, you can't do this to me.
Love. Rubbish. Yeah. Yes, Amma, listen. Listen to me. I told you about this fashion gig, okay? Yeah, that's why. Baby, I love you, okay? Trust me, I do. You know what they say about love, don't you? You don't? Hey! They say love is a feeling you feel when you're feeling something you've not felt before. Oh yes, I know it because I'm feeling too. Please don't talk about you, don't forget about it, okay? Love you, okay? Yeah. Let me call you back. What kind of bad luck is this? If you want to be happy, create your own happiness. Look at me. I'm doing good. I'm dating another woman. I'm fine. Do the same. I think it's about time I just told you this. I've been thinking about it for a while. I don't know how to say it, but I gotta tell you. We need to come to an agreement.
What kind of agreement?
Eva, let's face the facts. You need to be happy. Okay? I mean, it's either we separate for a while or you live unhappily ever after.
Lee, I love you. I love you so much. I can't do that.
Eve, the deaf husband and the blind wife are always happy. Go get a boyfriend. Go!
Lee, please listen to me. Lee, love the heart that hurts you, but never ever hurts the heart that loves you. Okay?
Whatever.
Hello? Oh, Eva, this is Mr. Mike Owusu.
Mr. Michael, hi. How are you? How's your hand?
Well, I'm doing good. I'd rather say we're getting there. Eva, would you please come over to my place for the routine treatment? Because I'll be traveling.
What time would you want me to be there?
Just right now, if possible, immediately.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Oh, that was brilliant. So, I'll be expecting you, okay? All right.
Baby, memories, yo. But in the hole, what's under my cool name? What a teen on the go. Forget about the rest now when I'm petty on the best show. Honeymoon and the moon, baby girl, for sure. In the meantime, baby girl, I know you have a doubt. Hey, Glory, show us how to make a big phone.
Oh, Eva, come on, sit down. Oh gosh.
Sorry, how are you?
Well, I'm doing good. Just for seeing you, the excitement.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Yeah, I will, definitely. Oh, I'm glad you're here. Very glad you're here.
That's my job.
Ness? Eva? What is this? Come. It's a cat. Come here. Come here, have a look. Did this to you?
My husband.
Your husband? I don't understand. Your husband? He did this to you?
It's been 3 years of marriage. And all he does is cheat and beats me up.
What? Beats you up? Oh. You must be so unhappy in this marriage. Huh? So, do you fight back?
What can I do? I'm his wife.
But I see you as some kind of a lover, not a fighter. Look, let me tell you something. Marriages, there are just few people who are enjoying that happiness in marriages. And those very few too don't enjoy it forever. Eva, let me tell you one thing. You just have to make hay whilst the sun shines.
What are you saying?
I am Mike Owusu. And I have all the strategies that can put marriages together. You know what you're going to do? You have to find ways and means to bring this guy's mind back. You just have to busy yourself doing things. Check the results, okay? Because that's the only way to get him jealous.
Jealous? But why would I want to make my husband jealous?
You don't know. make him jealous, his mind will get back to you. Look, Eva, look at me. Look at where I live. I have everything. I live alone. This is my home, and it can be your house. Come over weekends. Get away from him. Okay? Get away from him. Let him miss you. Come here. Stay here. Everything is for you. Use it till it's all used up. I'll be so happy to even see you around. Okay?
Hi, honey. How's your morning?
Good.
I was wondering if I could take you out to dinner tonight. I miss you.
What do you have in mind?
It's a surprise.
What time?
Around 7?
Okay.
Great. I'll see you.
Hi, baby. How?
Your wife is lovely. Why are you unfaithful to her?
It's a man's thing, my dear. I mean, you gotta be a man sometimes, right? Mwah. Ah. Put it back. I said, put it back.
I didn't see it when you brought it in yesterday.
Eva. Listen. Next time you don't listen to me, stop. Next time.
Let me go!
It's okay, come on.
My girl, my precious diamond pearl. Top shot and rocket. Higher level, harder you,
Hello? Eva? Yeah, it's me, Mike. How are you doing? Great. Eva, I want you to do me a favor. Yes, I would so much like you to spend the weekend with me. Well, Eva, your husband? No, come on. This is the time you have to prove a point. Let him know that someone pays attention. Get him to be jealous. Yes, jealous. So what are you saying? Are you coming over? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. So, yeah, I'll be expecting you then. All right? Okay. Good. Hi.
Show us how to make a big phone. Honda, me woman, sick and tuning tone. Till the end of time, baby, me
Here.
Thank you.
Hey, I've been thinking about you and I for a while. Concerning your agreement.
What about it?
I don't even know how to say it. I'll be visiting my friend this Friday. Meaning I'll be spending 5 days with you and 2 days with my friend.
No problemo. I mean, hey, your happiness is very important to me, so that's good. I like that. You know, that makes me remember what my dad told me, you know. He said that if you love something very much, you let it go, set it free. I mean, if it belongs to you, it will come back to you. But if it does not, it was not meant for you in the first place. So, Charlie, sweetie, have fun, okay? Who is this friend of yours?
He's a male. Mike.
No problem. I mean, well, it doesn't matter. I mean, it can be a male, female, hermaphrodite, you know. So long as you're having fun, I'm good. You know? So I don't have a problem. And I promise I will never, ever talk about it. So can I go drop you?
No, I'll go myself. I'll be fine.
All right. Fun, here we come.
please don't be upset, okay?
Why are you looking at me like that?
Honey, you're upset.
I am not upset.
Come on, sweetie, you look like you're about to faint. This is the first Friday and you're already behaving like this. You promised you're not going to be like that. Besides, we had an agreement.
Yeah, we had, but hey, you're going to meet another man.
Sweetie, it's not my boyfriend.
Yeah, right. Just pray I don't kill anybody.
Kill somebody? You? I don't think so. You're not a jealous type.
In this case, I would be because you are my wife. And where did you get that from?
It's nice, isn't it? He bought it for me. Honey, please don't be upset, okay? It's just for 2 days.
Whatever.
Why didn't you go to Dan's place while I'm off for the weekend?
Since when did you start telling me what to do? You know Dan would certainly ask of you.
Honey, all you have to do is tell him that I'm off to see my mom for the weekend. It's not hard, is it?
Go and have your fun, okay?
Oh, I forgot. Are you gonna give me a kiss? Sweetie, it's just for 2 days.
Never lie, I know you have a doubt. I'm ready to show you why. Them can't split us no matter what them I go try. Sweet girl, wipe your tears and don't try. Cause soon and soon we are gonna link up again. Just imagine how me woulda live until then. Who'da miss you, baby girl, me cannot pretend. The girl I'm there, but you are my best friend. Woman, I love you, I want to be with you. Can't afford to let you go. Woman, I love you, I want to be with you. Can't afford to let you go. Kiss, kiss and caress me, baby. And let me home. Keep baby, I'm a female. Come on, kiss and caress. You know. And let me home. Keep baby, I'm a female. Kiss, kiss and caress me, girl. And let me home. Keep baby, I'm a female. My love, baby, my lady. Why I say? I don't wanna say, never wanna say bye bye. It makes me wanna cry. Yo, woman, I wish you would stay. Tears in my eyes, baby. Here's my lady. Yes, girl. Sometimes I wonder, take you out. Yo, woman, I wonder. Them say love is divine. You know, but sometimes it gonna make you. Hello. So when you're certain, fine. Stick to that, yeah.
Alright, do you have some visitors or you're expecting visitors?
Of course.
I see. How are you?
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
This weekend, I am extremely free. So I've stocked my fridges, I've stocked the kitchen,
Oh, yeah?
and I want you to spend the weekend with me.
Oh, baby. I'm so sorry. My husband is around, and I can't make it.
You told me he was leaving yesterday.
Yeah, but he came back early yesterday.
I see. So, I can't see you?
No,
I can't see you Friday night?
no,
Sunday?
no,
Saturday afternoon?
no.
0000?
No.
Shit.
But come on. Baby, don't worry. Do you know what?
Oh.
There is more time, okay? So, I want you to cheer up.
But the way I'm actually planned the weekend for us, you know. I don't know what to do again.
You know that I love you.
Yeah, I know.
Another time.
If you say so.
Sorry.
You won't spend the weekend with me to...
Sorry.
You are causing havoc to my head.
Sorry, okay? I love you, baby.
Catch you
See
later.
later.
I'll call you.
Then.
Okay. Bye.
I close my eye deep in the night to get a little sleep. Girl, I see your face, see you cry, tears in your eye. And once and not twice, girl, I see it every day. I know, girl, I've done you wrong, baby. My old bunny, oh darling. Girl, it's been so long. I know for sure we are gonna link up one day. Baby, minyaka minyai mawuko. I dream every day. This is beyond control. Baby, I love you bad. Minyaka minywa. Baby girl, I love you bad. Woman, I love you bad. Yeah. Oh, you had a man, you had a boyfriend. You can't deny you didn't know my girlfriend. In the dark, me was your lantern now. You can't let me go. Me give you 220 votes and you give me 110. I text on your phone, you really can't send. It sounds like I'm talking nonsense, but then all upon me what in my world. You are my baby, my lady. Hey, you can't let me go. You are my baby, my lady. Woman, you can't let me go. Baby, minyaka minyai mawuko. I dream every day. This is beyond control. Baby, I love you bad. Minyaka minywa. Baby girl, I love you bad. Minyaka minywa. Yeah. Hey. Hey, hey. Higher level. Nanka we me go. Baby, you are my love. Nanche me zo. Nanche me you wo. Oh, so hey, higher level. Harder you. It's soon to that's a open high. Memory. Bomidi. Sego base, give me niwa. That's what you are, baby. Memory.
Jack Daniels.
that's a whoop behind. Memorem, oh, bommy ding, bommy ding. Bommy ding, bommy ding. That's a mini one. Memory view. Bommy ding, bommy ding. You are my baby. Bommy ding, welcome. Hey, oh, woman, miss your friend, that's what bad in your hoe. What's on the Mako, man, one continue on me go. Forget about the rest now when I'm the Johnny Be show. Honeymoon and the moon, baby girl, for show. In the meantime, baby girl, I know you have a doubt. Close my eye, deep in the night, to get a little sleep. Girl, I see your face, see you cry, tears in your eye, and once and twice, girl, I see it every day. I know, girl, I've done you wrong, baby. Hey, yo, bunny, oh, darling. Girl, it's been so long. I know for sure we are gonna go and go. If I had my way, girl, I would never let you go. I never let you go, no, no. I think about you every day. This is beyond control, baby. Spider-Man. The muffin down one, Mambo Humai. Timmy, I come here, Uncle Dalate, the Mugo in my domestication. You take a me and Kabu, Makume, Mupani. The ones that are down with one mile, your other kind. Girl, the cute and you look so fine. It's enough for Makuma, then I'm mine. From the Makuma, from the to from your woman. Love you, baby girl, and you know. Oh, you Makuma, from the to from your woman. I love you, baby girl. If I had my way, girl, I would never let you go. I never let you go. No, no, think about you every day. This is beyond control, baby.
I love you bad. Minyaka miniwa.
Baby girl,
I love you bad. Minyaka miniwa. Hey.
Hi, babes. What's the celebration?
That's to welcome you back. So how was your Friday night?
Oh, it was great. There were so many people. It was lots and lots of fun.
Lots of people.
Yeah.
How many people?
Come on, Lee. How many people's relative? How many would you call me?
Were you with him?
Of course I was with him. Duh. Everybody took me for his wife.
So what did you say when they assumed you were the wife?
I made them believe it.
Then what did you do?
Then after everyone has left at dawn, we went to the beach. Just the two of us. It was so beautiful. Oh God. I don't think I'll ever forget this.